therapy today. I need some prime self-care. So y'all know I like to cook, right? So today I'm cooking me some lamb chops. I'm gonna make me some garlic mashed potatoes with some jasmine rice and some asparagus. And let me put y'all on, this is the best butter in the world. You gotta get the garlic herb butter. Kieradbusiness butter, period. But the garlic herb butter, baby, set the shit off. Don't say I didn't put y'all on. Main thing, got some lamb chops that I have seasoned and let marinate for like 45 minutes.
So when did you know, like, that she was the one for you?
October 21st, 1975.
Jesus Christ, you know the fucking day?
Oh, yeah. Day of the game. We're sitting in a bar waiting for the game to start. And in walks this girl.
I'll get straight to the point. I found marijuana in the house. And while I never thought of myself as the type of father who'd have to drug test his kids, I'm willing to do just that if that's what it takes to find out who brought a joint into this house.
Dad, Lucy found something too.
Dad, I found a joint in Mom's dresser drawer.
that once in a lifetime. This is that once in a lifetime.